Alright guys, another beautiful day here in Florida. So we are back with the suspension ski. So got everything back out again. I'm ready to work on it. We put a brand new intercooler and that was what I was waiting on. So I put all the hoses back on and now we are going to put the top back on. So I'm doing the oil changes. I'm still doing oil changes on this thing, and basically everything goes back the same way that I took it off. Two people to put it back on with two people is better. Even though that we have the crane, it's a pain in the butt. This thing just goes everywhere, and if you have two people just to put it on and adjust it and put it right where it goes, is better. So we'll see. Now another thing that is really tricky is the airbags. This thing has an actual airbox. So what you do is you take off this piece and you put this first, because you can't put the airbox, you can put this piece attached with the airbox. You can get to the clamp, which is right here, and the clamp, you go right between this and this, between the I'm doing it again, this and this. What is this and what is this? So put this first, align it right here. It goes about right in the middle of all this stuff, and now you can put the box, and what you do is, that's why it has those things there, so you can pull it right through and it just stays there. So very easy. I don't know about that. Everything about this jet ski is a pain. So you just gotta have patience. All right guys, so we're done. Supercharger is on, intercooler, everything is on. So we're gonna give it one more last little startup so I can check the oil. I did 6 oil changes on it, and we'll see what we got. So now we'll check the oil and make sure everything is good, and this project is pretty much done. Now is put it back together and go to the lake. All right, so since I know better, we are checking the spark plugs, and the spark plugs are bad. Look at these things, they're horrible. So this jet ski had water inside, so we're gonna put brand new spark plugs, and then we are going to the lake to test it. So we'll see what we got. All right guys, we made it to the lake. We're here at the lake, and we are gonna test this baby and see what we got. Plugs are on. Oh yeah. All right guys, so we made it to the water. So we're here, everything is beautiful. There's no leaks, there's nothing. I am gonna check when I come back and see if we have any more leaks. So, but for now, everything is fine. The water is 84. Wow, I thought it was colder than that. Well, it's going down, 82. I don't know about that. I think this water is like 60 degrees. Hey, just made it to 80. Got 57 hours on it, full tank. Let's see what we got, you know? Put it in sport mode. All right. Oh yeah. A stock jet ski. They just ride so good and it's so quiet. I missed that. And it only went 62 miles per hour. That's awesome. So let's test the suspension. Oh wow. As you guys know, this is a suspension ski, so I'm really eager to see what it does. So we'll see. Here's some waves. A big difference. I can see it. I can see why people love these jet skis. As a mechanic, I don't like it. I hate it. But I can see why people love the suspension jet skis, and when they have it and they work fine, they love it. I can probably have one of these. Nah. That's more like it. 66 degrees the water. I know it was cold, but hey, nothing compared to you guys up there north. Whoa, you guys are freezing up there, and look at me over here. This is nice. I mean, the weather's perfect. So let's see if we can get 65 miles out of this thing. So that's good in my book. 66 miles. That's about what they run. So I think we're done with this jet ski. It's always an experience because this thing's just so hard to work on. So I'm glad everything is good. We're gonna check it for leaks as soon as I get out of the water, and that's about it. All right, guys, so let's check for leaks. It's out of the water, and we'll take this out, and beautiful, not a drop of water. So usually if water gets in, it gets all over the back of the jet ski and right where the batteries and the wire harness. So no leaks, zero water. Wow, I'm impressed. So that is a good sign. So we are finished with the suspension ski. No water, no issues. It ran beautiful. It ran 66 miles per hour, and that is good in my book. So I'm gonna have a happy client here. Now, if you guys enjoy these videos, subscribe. And if you have something to say, then comment. And until next time, I'll see you guys on the next video.